Hi, welcome to Cars from Haynes. This is our BMW X1 2-litre diesel xDrive 4-wheel drive with nice options on it, finished in silver, and with some aesthetic changes. Someone's put black kidney grills on there, black wing mirrors. Wheels need refurbishing. The wheelman's going to be here, so they will be done prior to sale. There we go. Really nice car, this. For the miles, it's been well looked after. A couple of chips on the boot there, as you'd expect for the mileage. The boot complete with parcel shelf, electric boot. There we go. As I say, the wheels will be done next time the wheelman's here. I think every single BMW we get in, as I've mentioned before, needs the wheels refurbishing, which is fantastic. There we go. Automatic gearbox, heated seats, sat nav. As usual, all the spec will be on the advert. We do offer finance. We accept part exchanges. If you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.